The intricacies of relationships and communication. How to get a woman to do anything you want. Yes, you heard it right, anything. Today we're diving into a topic that's often misunderstood, how to build strong, healthy relationships based on trust and respect. Setting the tone. Before we begin, let's debunk a common misconception. Getting someone to do anything you want is not about manipulation or control. It's about fostering mutual understanding, respect, and trust. Building trust and respect. The foundation of any healthy relationship is trust. Trust is earned through honesty, reliability, and consistency. When you show genuine care and respect for someone, they are more likely to trust you. Effective communication. Communication is key. Listen actively, express yourself clearly, and be open to feedback. Understanding each other's needs and boundaries is crucial for a strong relationship. Empathy and compassion. Empathy is the ability to understand and share the feelings of another. Show compassion, be supportive, and considerate of your partner's perspective. Empathy strengthens emotional bonds. Collaboration and compromise. Healthy relationships thrive on collaboration and compromise. Work together towards common goals, make decisions as a team, and be willing to find solutions that benefit both parties.